Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Double A's Taste Challenge. It is Monday evening, February 4th, 2013, 6:08 in the PM. And today we're doing a brand new place that opened here in Pembroke Pines. I'm exploring a whole bunch of new haunts. This is called, as you can see by the bag, the Genghis Grill, the Mongolian stir-fry place. Real briefly on how this works. You go and build your own stir-fry. You pick your proteins, your seasonings, your vegetables, and then your sauce. They cook it up, and then they add your own starch. Myself, what did I do? As you can see here, this is a big thing here. It's potatoes, meat, ham, steak, green onions, and fried rice with stir-fry sauce. But for a better explanation on what exactly you're supposed to do when you go to the Genghis Grill, let's send you to another video courtesy of YouTube for a better explanation.
Hey guys, welcome to Genghis Grill. Have you been here before? No. No? Okay, well, you can see all your segments to do the whole process. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and grab your cards, your ramekins, and your bowls and follow me so you can make a move. Kitchen is a 5-step process to building a perfect bowl. You're going to start right here with step 1, which is choose your protein. Go ahead and choose as much as you want. Step 2, you're going to season your protein, but don't mind at the bottom there's a lot of spiciness, so just a dash will do. And then step 3, you're going to put your veggies. Pile your veggies high up to get a nice burn. And then step 4, you're going to select your sauce, and it's important that your sauce gets to the side wrap again. And then you're going to go on with step 5, which is acquire starch. You can choose up to 2 different starches and double up on starch if you want.
Sausage, we got steak, we got broccoli, we got celery, we got some spinach, and I made a mess, so I think we're good to go. I was recommended the compound sauce, it's delicious, I'm going to throw that in here. I got pretty much a lot of spiciness, spicy racks on the bottom, which is extreme pepper and all that stuff. Fresh cut jalapenos, they're delicious. Got to get those in there. They're hidden by the spinach and the green onions. I think that's what I got. If not, I got a surprise also. All right, it's time to cook this. Let's go check this out.
Hi, welcome to our kitchen. Yes, sir.
What, is this you?
Yes, sir. You have your
Yes, thank you.
Excellent.
Can you make that fire thing happen again?
Absolutely. We'd be more than happy to. We have 6 starches.
Did you say make it again?
Yes, please. Next go. We have brown rice, fried rice, steamed rice. We don't do this hard rice. You can double up, or you can have one for each.
Which would you recommend?
I prefer udon noodles.
Think udon and fried rice?
And of course we're back here and I'm about to taste what I got. Now I had this once before, I had this on Friday, but I did it incorrectly. I didn't fill my bowl up all the way. But I filled it up today. As you can see, it's overwhelming. I got myself a couple of chopsticks and we're going to taste something. And yes, I know how to use these things. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. I'm going to taste one of the potatoes. Oops. Come on. There we go. Mmm. Delicious. Let's get a piece of ham from down here. Oh, we just want one piece. We just want one piece. Mmm. So. Check out Genghis Grill if you're ever in the area or you have one in your hometown. Until next time, everybody, real quickly, tune into the Rant live every Tuesday night at 8 o'clock Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific, 1 a.m. for you people in the UK. And, of course, follow the network and the Rant on Twitter, respectively, at The Rant Radio and at TWR Network. I'm Double A. Have a good night! right, everybody.